Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, the Baker Man. This week we were sent a drop from Puma, and it's the Puma times Laams blank canvas invite collab. Got the cool pack, you'll see it now in a moment, from 6 sneakers, very cool concept with the canvas that you can cut away. And basically I've got this blank canvas that I had to come up with some artwork for, and I was inspired to do artwork based on my new campaign, which is going to be dropping in the next month. Stay tuned, check that out. It's called Stay Lit. Check out the video, check me making the artwork. Right now we're shooting the final product shots for social media with Robin Walker over there. I didn't have time to do any mock-ups or anything like that, so I just pretty much took a chance, drew straight onto the box with some pencil. From there I used some Build and Flow acrylics, and then I finished it off with some markers just to get some detail in there. The most difficult thing was the time constraint, and as you can hear, I'm still a bit fluish. It's that season here in South Africa. The other thing is the whole box is wrapped in watercolor, and the canvas that the sneaker is wrapped in is mediums I've never worked with before. So kind of just had to wing it on the spot and figure it out as we go, and also not fuck that shit up because I only had one pair in one box. Stay tuned, follow on socials, hit that like and subscribe, and if you want to see more content like this, please share this video.